want to make a quick video on the 2004, well, 4th gen. I think this would work on 3rd gen too. It's a Toyota 4Runner. I have to do some welding on the frame, and I have a full tank of gas, of course. So I was trying to figure out how to get I tried siphoning, and you have to use a lot of hose, and it goes through all these bends and rubber boots and all that, and it wasn't working anyway. So someone said use the fuel pump relay, pull it out, bypass it with a pin, and then, you know, turn the car on, and it should do it. But the only problem was it was charging the line, and then that was it. It wasn't coming out. There's 3 hoses here. This is, I believe, like an evap from the emissions or whatever. The other line, the thinner one, is the return, and the fatter line is the fuel coming into the engine. So what I do is it's like one of these kind of clips where you just move this guy back, and then it's like an air compressor hose where you just pull it up and pop it off. But be careful, the line will probably be charged a little bit of gas will leak out, and so just wear safety glasses. And then what I did was I actually had pressure washer hose, an old pressure washer hose, so I just snipped it and it worked out perfect. And I just put it onto the fitting there, and then to bypass this, I just went straight to, I got the other end right into the gas tank, and then to bypass this, I just have another car battery, 12-volt battery. And then in the back seat you have a plate cover that covers the fuel tank, the fuel pump. So the passenger side is the positive side, and then the other one's the negative. So that wire should be orange and blue, and the negative should be white and black. And then I just did these I just put something, a little crimp on there with something just to make contact, but also insulate it from the other wire. So it's just basically gravity that's kind of holding that together. It's making contact. It's not really on there with the, a tight crimp. Then the other end, on the negative, I have vice grips, and then I can manually turn on and off the fuel pump with just by touching it. So I wanted to keep my gas tank away from my battery, and then I just touch it, and you'll hear the pump come on, I think. If you can hear that. But it's filling up the gas can. So there's a way to just manually bypass everything.